Okay class, so let's say example here, if vector A equal to AI plus 3J and vector B equal to 3I plus 8 plus AJ are parallel vectors, find the possible value of A. Okay, so now what is the meaning of parallel vector? Parallel ni selari. Okay, kalau kita ada vector A contohnya, kita ada satu vector A. Okay, so vector A daripada point ini ke point ini, this one is vector A. Okay, so kita ada juga vektor B yang selari dengan vektor A, maksudnya arah dia sama. Dia mesti selari. Okay, tapi it might be vektor B ni dia tak sama dengan vektor A. Kalau sama means exactly dia punya direction ataupun dia punya length ni sama. Tapi dia boleh jadi juga vektor B ni lebih panjang atau lebih pendek daripada vektor A. Contohnya kalau B ni dia lebih panjang, okay, yang ini lebih pendek contohnya. Dia boleh jadi mana-mana kerana kedua-dua ni selari. Okay, means that vector A is not equal to vector B, but vector A is equal to vector B multiply by some scalar. Okay, scalar ni dia adalah nilai yang mengubah panjang dan pendeknya B ni. Okay, so it might be have any scalar. Kalau A dengan B sama, katakanlah A dengan B ni adalah vektor yang mempunyai panjang yang sama, maksudnya nilai K akan equal to 1 lah. Okay, bila K equal to 1, so dia akan jadi A 1 darab dengan B, so dia akan jadi A equal to B. So maksudnya dua-dua ni panjang dia sama. Tapi boleh jadi juga B ni lebih pendek daripada A atau lebih panjang daripada A, so kita letakkan satu skala K dekat depan B. Okay, ini bermaksud parallel, selari. Okay, so sekarang kita ada vektor A dan vektor B yang selari. So first of all, we need to write the equation of A and B, where A and B is the parallel vector. Therefore, A is equal to any scalar K times with the vector B. Okay, so kita ada vektor A kita, AI plus 3J, okay, equal to K multiply by B. B adalah 3I plus 8 plus AJ. Okay, so now kita expand this equation. Kita akan ada AI plus 3J equal to 3KI plus with K multiply by 8 plus AJ. Okay, and if you remember before, we have learned that if we want to compare left side and both side, kita kena tengok the corresponding vector. So untuk vector I, kita compare dengan vector I. So kita ada A equal to 3K. Ini equation yang pertama. Okay, then kita ada J compare dengan J. So kita ada 3 equal to K multiply by 8 plus 8. Ini equation yang kedua. Okay, so kita expand equation yang kedua ni, kita akan dapat 3 equal to 8K plus KA. Okay, and from equation number 1, dia bagi tahu A adalah 3K. So kita gantikan A dekat sini dengan 3K. So kita ada 3 equal to 8K plus KA bersamaan dengan 3K daripada persamaan yang pertama. Therefore, from here we have 3 equal to 8K plus 3K square. Okay, so kat sini kita pindahkan. Okay, kita pindahkan, kita akan dapat 3K square tambah 8K, tolak, bawa positif pergi sebelah jadi negatif 3. So, belah sini tinggal kosong. Okay, so kita boleh factorize menggunakan kalkulator, kita cari nilai K ataupun awak boleh gunakan manual. Okay, untuk cari nilai K. So, K is equal to, okay, 9 plus 8 negative 3. Okay, so here, from here you will get 3K minus 1 equal to 0. 3K equal to 1. K equal to 1 over 3. From this one, K plus 3 equal to 0. K equal to negative 3. So, awak boleh sama ada buat secara manual ataupun awak boleh factorize menggunakan kalkulator. So, awak dapat dua nilai K. K yang pertama adalah 1/3 dan K yang kedua adalah negatif 3. So, kita nak cari nilai A. Daripada equation yang pertama ni, A adalah 3 darab K. So, bila K yang pertama 1/3, nilai A akan jadi 3 darab 1/3 equal to 1. Okay. Kalau K bersamaan dengan yang kedua negatif 3, kita ada A sama dengan 3 darab negatif 3. So, A sama dengan negatif 9. So, kita ada dua possible value of A. Okay. Okay, let's see this example. Given that vector A equal to 5 square root 3i minus with 5j, okay, find the unit vector in the direction of A and find the positive angle which A makes with the x-axis. Okay, so first one, you need to find the unit vector. Okay, the unit vector formula is vector A divided by its magnitude. Okay, so vector A itself is equal to 5 square root 3i minus with 5j. Okay, divided by its magnitude. Magnitude can be found by using the formula square root of x square y square. So our x here is 5 square root 3 square plus with negative 5 square. Okay, so you have here 5 square root 3i minus 5j. Okay, then we have square root here. 5 square root 3 square will give you 25 multiplied by 3, which is 75. Okay, plus with negative 5 to the power of 2 is 25. So we have here 5 square root of 3i minus 5j over square root of 100. So square root of 100 is equal to 10. Therefore, you have 5 square root of 3i minus 5j over 10. So you will have the unit vector as 5 square root 3 over 10 I minus with 5 over 10 G. Okay, and 5 over 10 can be simplified to be 1 over 2. So the final answer will be square root of 3 over 2 I, because this one and this one can be simplified. Okay, minus with this one and this one will become 1 over 2 G. So this one is the unit vector. Okay, next question asks us to find the positive angle which A makes with the x-axis. So let's draw our axis first. So we have the x-axis and y-axis here. Okay, so where is our position of the vector A? So you see vector A, okay, vector A is equal to 5 sec 3i minus 5g. So this one is the value of x, where you can see this value is positive value of x, and this one is the value of y, where the value of y is negative. So your vector A must be somewhere here, because this one, the value of x must be positive and the value of y must be negative. So here is your A, okay, where your A is 5 sec 3 and negative 5, the point of A. Okay, now you want to find the angle which A makes with the x-axis, means that this one is the x-axis, so the angle will be here, which is the theta. Okay, but then you can find the value of theta by finding first what is the value of alpha here. Okay, before this we have go through before in the first introduction to vector. To find tan alpha, the formula is b over a, where b is y and your a is x. Okay, so if we want to find tan alpha here, our y is negative 5, our x is 5 sec 3, so you can simplify here. So tan alpha is equal to negative 1 over sec 3. Okay, so if you want to find alpha, you bring tan to the right, so what you have is arctan. Okay, alpha equal to arctan negative 1 over sec 3. So what you will have, if you set your mode in degree, you will have negative 30 degree. Alpha is negative 30 degree. What means by negative 30 degree? How come angle become negative? Because its position is under the x-axis. When the position of the angle is under x-axis, so it will become negative. So this is just the sign that show you this angle of alpha is below the x-axis. Okay, means that your alpha is actually 30 degree. So how come you get the value of theta? It's very easy. Theta is equal to 360 degree minus with alpha, which is 30 degree. So you have your angle theta is equal to 330 degree. Okay. Okay, let's see this example. Find the magnitude of the vector AB from the point A -35 to the point B 79. Also find the unit vector and angle between AB and the x-axis. Okay, so you have been asked to find the magnitude of the vector AB. Okay, the magnitude of the vector AB here means that you have the vector from point A to point B. Okay, so this is the vector AB from point A to point B, where your point A is -35 and your point B is 79. So the first one is you need to find what is the vector AB. So to find what is the vector AB is simply by minus the second point, the second point of x minus with the first point, -3 here, I plus with this one, the second point of y minus with the first point of y, j, where I and j is the vector represent the direction of x and also y respectively. Therefore, what you have here is 7 minus and minus will be plus. So 7 plus 3 is 10i plus with 9 minus 5 is 4j. So this one is the vector of AB. Okay, so you have been asked to find the magnitude of vector AB. So you have to find the magnitude of vector AB here. Okay, so to find the magnitude of vector AB, the formula is square root of x square plus with y square. Okay, so you have your x here and this one is your y. Therefore, you have square root of 10 square plus 4 square. So it becomes square root of 100 plus 16. So you have square root of 116. Okay, so this one is the magnitude of the vector AB. Then you have been asked to find the unit vector. Okay, the unit vector of vector AB. So you know that the unit vector can be found by using the formula vector AB divided by its magnitude. Okay, so your vector AB is 10i plus 4j. Okay, divided by its magnitude, which is square root of 116. Therefore, you have your unit vector of vector AB is equal to 10 over square root of 116 I plus with 4 square root of 116 j. Okay, so this one is your unit vector. Okay, and then you have also been asked to find the angle between the vector AB and the x-axis. So let's draw where is our vector AB. Okay, so we have the axis x and y here, and if you see your vector AB has the positive x and positive y, therefore it might be somewhere here. Let's say this one is the vector AB. Okay, where it's 10i plus 4j, or you can also write it only the point of 10 and 4. Okay, means that 10 for x and 4 for y. So now you know where is the angle between the x-axis and the vector AB is here. Okay, so to find theta, we can use the formula of tan alpha or tan theta. Okay, you can directly use tan theta is equal to b over a, where b is the value of y, a is the value of x. Therefore, you have tan theta is equal to 4 over 10. Okay, so to find theta, you bring tan to the right. So you have theta is equal to arctan. 4 over 10 can be simplified to be 2 over 5. So you can find arctan of 2 over 5. And you will get your theta is equal to 21.8 degree. Okay, so this one is the angle between the vector AB and also the x-axis.